Hi everyone, my name's Helen and today I'm going to show you how to create a group code for the Coolest Projects online showcase. I have a separate video that's going to tell you how to register your projects so you can enter them. This one is just a quick look at how to make a group code. So first thing you want to do is go to the Coolest Projects website, which is coolestprojects.org, and we want to click on Take Part, and you want to find our online showcase. You can click on Find Out More and enter. In order to create a group code to enter your projects, first you need to either log in with a Raspberry Pi Foundation account, or you can sign up and create a new account if you don't have one already. I have an account, so I'm going to log in. And at the screen here, I'm going to log in with hello@coolestprojects.org and log in. This is going to take me through to the same screen, but with a button that now lets me enter my project. When you enter your project, you're going to use this form over here. But first, this is a really useful function to help mentors create a group code. So this is really useful for anybody who's going to be registering quite a few projects. So that could be if you are a teacher and you want to enter projects for your class, you're a mentor at Code Club, you've got a large group of projects. So this create a group code. And the great thing about group code is it means young people can then use the code you create to enter the projects themselves for you to review. So let's create a group. And it really is this easy. We're going to ask to tell us about your group. So I'm going to say my code club that I go to is the Pi Central Code Club here in Cambridge. Because we're in Cambridge, I'll select from this long list that we are in the United Kingdom. And then we've got a useful part here about agreeing to how we use your project data. And this is so that we can use it to display the projects that you submit to us in our online gallery. The important thing here is that you understand how the data will be used, but also you're confirming for all the young people who'll be registering as part of your group code. So please do make sure that they understand how this data will be used and that you've got appropriate permissions from parents if you need it. Click continue. And that's it. So once your group is created, you can view group. And the useful thing here is copying your group code. So you can either share a link like this one direct with your group. They can click on the link and enter their projects. That will take them straight to the form. Or if they've got to the form through the Take Part page, like we just did, give them this group code and they can enter their projects. Once they have entered their projects, they will show up here under Projects Submitted. And these are for you to review. So you need to make sure once young people have submitted their projects, you check them over just to make sure that you're happy with them, and then you'll be able to submit them. Once the young people have submitted their projects, you've reviewed them, they'll appear in a registered tab. And so you can keep track of all the projects entered by your group, your class, or your club. If there are any projects that you don't want to put through to the final showcase, in your review section, you'll be able to say, rather than approve, archive, and you'll have a record of those projects here. And it really is as straightforward as that. Once you've got your group code, you'll then be able to send it to young people, and we've got a separate video that shows how you can enter the showcase. So it's Coolest Projects Online, coolestprojects.org/take-part to get started. And we look forward to seeing all the projects you create. Thank you.